Brody's trying so hard to crawl. There you go. Come on, buddy, you can do it. Oh, there you go. Come on. Oh, yay! So close. There's Dixie. Come on, buddy. You can do it. I'm not really in any rush for him to do this, but it is exciting. Brody. Come on. Come on. Now he's distracted by Dixie. And he's grinding his teeth. Blech. Yuck. Brody. Brody. Okay, the end.